I tried dropshipping for 1 week on TikTok, and in this video I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I found my product to sell, how I built my website, how I got some winning ad creatives, and of course my full profit in the last 7 days on that store. Alright, without wasting any time, let's get right into it. So the first thing I did was find a winning product. What I normally look for in a product is something that adds value to the customer and that has some kind of wow factor. And optimally the product shouldn't be too expensive either, so we can target a broad audience. So when I started searching, I went with my go-to method right now, which was to go to AutoDS. I basically just scrolled through this marketplace and then I came across this washing machine. It fits the basic criteria of a winning product that I just talked about because it saves people so much time and it is portable and way less expensive than these normal washing machines. And I'm telling you guys, this marketplace on AutoDS is no joke. I've found so many good products on here already. You can basically just sign up and then you will get all of these products suggested for you, and you can even fulfill them through AutoDS, so you won't have to deal with any of the shipment and AliExpress stuff, because trust me, this typing in the addresses and stuff manually takes up a lot of time. And what I think is really cool is AutoDS has a lot of different tools. They not only fulfill your orders and help you find winning products, but they can also help you build a store with just some simple mouse clicks. So if I were you, I would definitely check it out, and I will leave you guys a link down in the description below, and if you sign up through that link you will get a 30-day free trial. Now back to my product. I was able to source that product for $20 and I could easily sell this for $80 on my own store. Another reason I really like this product is because I searched it up on TikTok and saw a lot of comments of people saying, where can I get this? Oh, this is so cool. And this just means that your product is in high demand. Now that I had this really good product, it was time to build a store for it. So I went straight to Shopify and created a new store. After that, I first had to come up with a name, and ChatGPT just suggested this name Easy Wash to me, and it was solid, so I just took that. After that, I just quickly imported my product into Shopify, which is, by the way, also really easy if you use AutoDS, and then went in and changed the title, the price, and of course also the description. The description is something I almost always spend a lot of time on, since people that are interested in your product are definitely gonna read through your description. So for my description, I basically got some text from ChatGPT, but I didn't just copy it and put it in my description like some beginners do. I also went in and changed some things and wrote some things myself to make it not that robotic. After that, I also formatted the text a bit and also put some images in and a GIF that I just made with this online GIF maker. There are a lot of different GIF makers out there. I would just advise you guys to choose one of them. Now, even though we were pretty much finished with the product page and it was already looking really good, I went into the Shopify editor and changed some simple things such as the colors, and also removed some sections to make it even better. Then lastly, I also got an app for reviews and imported some reviews from AliExpress to my store, and then the store was pretty much done. So if you look at the store here, we have the different images, text, and also the social credit. And a store like this just always performs so really good. So now that I had a good product and a good store, it was time to get some banger ad creatives. And that's why I chose to get my ad creatives from Viral Ecom Ads. So I went onto their website, viralecomads.com, and they have a lot of different ad creatives to choose from. They, for example, offer Meta image ads, video ads for Meta, but also ads for TikTok. And since I'm running this whole store on TikTok ads, I basically just got the TikTok split testing package. Now in the TikTok split testing package, you can select some different things, voiceovers, text. So I did that and then just ordered it. And I got the ad creatives a couple of days later and they were really, really good. These ad creatives from Viral Ecom Ads are proven to work, and you can get them as cheap as $12 if you join the VIP program. So this is really a no-brainer. So if I were you, I would definitely check out Viral Ecom Ads for your ad creatives, and I will leave you guys a discount link in the description below where you get 15% off for whatever you order. Now that I had my ad creatives, I basically just pulled up TikTok ads and created a new campaign. I always use campaign types that have been working for people, and a campaign type that I've been using a lot and I see a lot of other people using is an ABO campaign. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. So in this ABO campaign, you will just leave everything blank on the first page and then go immediately to the second page. On the second page, you just quickly have to choose your TikTok pixel. And what I also did was select placement so that I don't run run ads on Pangle and these other platforms and just on TikTok. Then I left all the interests open and went to the country I targeted, and here I chose UK. After that I also chose to target 18 plus, and that was pretty much it for the targeting. Now for the budget I chose to run this ad campaign for $50 a day, which meant if you only get one sale a day we would still be break even. Now on the last page I of course uploaded my ad creatives and then also wrote some nice call to actions. Now the next day I just went about my day and then got one sale from a $50 ad spend. So we are already slightly profitable. Normally the first day of running the ads is not that good since the algorithm still needs to collect data and then optimize the ads. Then the next day on the same ad spend we got 2 sales, which was already really good and we were profitable, so I decided to move up the ad budget a bit. And on day 3 we got a total of 5 sales on this higher ad budget. So yeah, this was definitely a really good product we found, but now let's look at the numbers. So we got 8 sales in total, totaling in $640 made. Now subtracting the $230 ad spend and also the $100 product cost, we come out to a profit of $470 made from the store. So dropshipping is still a really good business model and I would definitely advise you guys to start it. And if you want to start, then definitely check out AutoDS and viral ecom ads, linked in the description down below, because this will make your life so much easier. As always, make sure to like and to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.